What's going on, everybody? Joey here. Right now in the man cave editing up a video I recorded today, getting ready to upload, but I figured I never talked about audio. I've done other editing videos, put the cards up on top if you want to click on them, about how to use PowerDirector to edit your videos to get them up to speed and upload them onto YouTube. Done all the videos, the cards are going to come up. Today I'm going to talk about audio, because that was one of the biggest things that I realized I need to keep track of. When I first uploaded a video, I edited it, thought it was great, uploaded it, started looking at the comments, and everybody was like, hey dude, your audio, man. You need to work on your audio, we can't hear you. And that's when I realized, you need to make sure you need to check your audio. So what I'm going to go through today is how you can check your audio on PowerDirector 14 to make sure it's all level between different scenes, so it sounds great and it is up to speed. So I'm going to record this video right now. I'm inside my office, and I also have another video that I'm editing right now that I'm going to use as a template or just an example of me talking inside of a car. So it's going to be hugely different audio. I'm going to see or show you how to get those the same and save them, and we'll be able to produce it and render it and be able to get it online with the same level audio so you don't look jacked up. So let's get to it. Let's go over to the computer and see how it's done. Alright, so the clip that I just recorded is uploaded and onto my project. And as you can see over here on the project, the audio just wasn't as loud as when I was talking inside the vehicle, which is expected. It's an enclosed, vehicle as opposed to talking into this or in this office. So they're going to be different volume lengths or different volume. So I need to fix the volume of inside the office to match the volume of inside the vehicle, because the volume inside the vehicle is just about where I like it and it sounds the best. I'll move it over so you can see the whole thing, and as you can see, there's a little bit of yellows popping out on top of the audio, and compared to when I just recorded inside the office, I only have 1 or 2 yellows altogether. So I need to get those yellows up just a little bit to match inside the vehicle. And this is what you're going to do for every clip that you have inside your editing, whatever type of video you're doing. So I just clicked on the clip that I want to edit with the audio. Come on over here to the little picture, and I think they call it the audio mixing room, or F9 on the PowerDirector. So I'm going to click on the clip, make sure I click stop. For some reason it always does that to me. And just come over here to the audio volume and just slightly bring it up. There we go. I'm starting to get some pops on the yellow. And I'm just going to do the same thing at the end of the clip. Sometimes it does both sides for me, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know why it does that. I haven't researched into it. But you can see that the yellows are popping, and they go down. I want to get some yellows at the end of the clip also. So from here, you can either go to the end of the clip or just hit the end button, and it's going to go to the end of the clip. And then that way I can come over on the other side and just slightly raise. Oh, those are a little bit too much. Slightly. There we go. Perfect. Now I got some yellows on the beginning and I got some yellows on the end. And it looks just about like when I was talking into the vehicle. That way those clips are going to match throughout the video, the overall video. I have the different clips, the audio matches up, and they're just right at that max level before it starts getting to sound bad. But that's what I found works for me. It may work for you. If it doesn't, if you have a better way of doing it, let me know in the comments. And as always, thank you very much for watching. I hope this helps somebody. That's why I always do these types of clips, because I think, hey, I had to learn this the hard way. I had to put a video up and man, it looked horrible. But I learned from it and now I'm getting better. So thank you for watching as always. Like that, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you'll always know when I have new videos up, and thank you for watching.